I'm Michelle from the stores team at Wix Studio. Holiday season comes around fast, so now's the time to prep your client's store for the rush. In the first part of this course, we looked at some nice visual elements you can add to your client's storefront for that festive look that helps bring in more sales. There are also a ton of helpful things you can do to set clients up for success in the back office of Wix Studio. So that's what we're going to do next. Let's dive right in. On big shopping days like Black Friday and Cyber Monday, competition between stores selling similar products is fierce. This makes competitive pricing essential. Unlike in the past when people shopped at local malls, today's consumers can easily compare prices across thousands of online marketplaces with just a click. So while quality matters, it's often the best deals that win. That's why it's crucial your clients are set up to give automatic discounts. Let me show you what I mean. Here, we can give customers price reductions without them ever having to enter a coupon code. So when customers buy products that qualify for a price reduction, the discounts just appear automatically. And this is how the discount banner looks on the website's homepage. Nice, right? Another way to increase your sales and grow your client's brand is selling digital gift cards. Not only is it a great way to bring in new customers, it also helps build loyalty with existing customers. Plus, consumers pretty much expect a gift card option to be available everywhere they shop now. So it's definitely something your clients should have. Interesting fact, 70% of shoppers leave retail sites after already adding items to their carts. And 8 of the top 10 reasons why they do this is linked to problems with the purchasing process itself. So this could be the customer not trusting the site, security, overly complex forms, or maybe missing payment options. Addressing these issues is key if you want to keep shoppers on track to purchase. But there's even more you can do to recover lost sales. On Wix Studio, you can send abandoned cart reminders. When a customer adds products to their cart but then doesn't complete the purchase, that cart is considered abandoned. But not all hope is lost. Sending a personalized email with an image of the abandoned items, along with a direct link, is a big motivator to go back and complete the purchase. This is such a handy feature, and it can be implemented super fast. All you have to do is go to Automations, where you can add and activate the abandoned cart functionality. When a store performs well during the holidays, there's a good chance the hottest items will sell out. But there's zero reason for your client to lose out on those sales, especially when there's plenty of time to deliver before the end of the year. So what you want to do is enable back-in-stock requests. Turning this feature on means that when a product is sold out, the Add to Cart button automatically changes to Notify when available. This allows customers to express interest in a sold-out item and then get notified by email when it's back in stock. Your clients can see these requests in the Back in Stock Requests tab in the site's dashboard. Discount coupons are another great tool you've got in the back office. They're a proven way to drive sales, promote events, and generally get more customer engagement. To set them up, go to the store's dashboard, and in the marketing section, you'll see coupons. You can add any coupon code you like, set it up, hit save, and then the coupon will be active and ready for customers to use at checkout. This is how it looks on the storefront once the coupon is added. You want to make it as easy as possible to buy from your client's store. That's why it's a smart idea to add a link in bio page to their social media accounts. This really simplifies the purchasing journey for customers who are scrolling online. Hop by Wix is the perfect tool for this. It provides a link in bio page for easy access to discount links, coupon codes, or any other content your client wants to share with their followers. You can also use Hop to shorten long URLs, create a landing page, and set up pre-rolls. That's what you call the content a customer sees before reaching the link they clicked. Remember, Black Friday and Cyber Monday are also a prime opportunity to do some brand building and positioning for your clients. Okay, the next thing you want to optimize for clients is payment options. When customers see their preferred way to pay at checkout, it dramatically increases the chances of them following through with their purchase. So really emphasize to your clients the importance of offering several different payment options and getting them set up before the holidays. In particular, encourage them to activate options like PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. It's very straightforward to connect these payment options to Wix Studio sites, but the impact can be huge and truly enhances the overall shopping experience for customers. The first step in a buyer's journey from interest to purchase is often an email, so it makes sense to invest time in creating an eye-catching email marketing campaign for your clients. On Wix Studio, you have 2 ways you can go about this. You can choose an email template or start from scratch for something completely custom. When your campaign is ready, you want to preview and test it. Then go ahead and choose the recipients and send it out. Your campaign will be reviewed for compliance, and then it will be sent to your mailing list. Once your email campaign is sent, you can view detailed statistics to see how people interacted with it. And that's it. So we've covered a lot you can do to prep your clients' stores for the holidays. First, we looked at the visual elements that can help you optimize a storefront, and then we went through some of the things you can do to drive sales from the back office. If you put all of this in place, your clients will be set up to take full advantage of busy season. Thanks for watching along, and be sure to take a scroll through Wix Studio Academy for more helpful courses.